Digitization is essential in meeting climate change goals and demographic challenges. EnOcean sensors and switches provide efficient, maintenance-free solutions utilizing self-powered wireless technology. Taking occupancy levels, natural light levels, and desired mood into consideration, lighting control systems enable the creation of optimal ambient light scenarios. Climate control systems optimize comfort and use of energy according to occupancy, outdoor conditions, and door and window status to optimize comfort levels and save energy. Smart window and door handles harvest kinetic energy and transmit data to control units, which adjust ambient temperature accordingly. Multiple sensors monitor human presence indoors and outdoors and warn in case of intrusion. Fluid leak sensors and smoke detectors sound an alarm in case of problems. Installing EnOcean energy harvesting sensors and switches into a smart building can help to save 30% on installation costs, 30% on energy and CO2 output, whilst increasing comfort, security, and safety.